When we get busy, sometimes the simplest things become a challenge. When rushing to work, heading to class, or just to get the kids to the game on time, locking the door isn't always easy. The EASILOK was designed to solve this problem. Now anyone can lock their home and keep it safe in less than half of a second. The EASILOK is keyless and twists to lock to save time and energy.
Lock the door behind you.
After locking, twisting the knob will lock the position and automatically resets it to the original position. No matter how the knob is twisted, the door will not unlock.
Yeah, finally got everything done, but it looks great. Now, is there a key around so I can lock up the office?
You don't need one. We've got the EASILOK installed. Just twist the lock on the way out.
Unlocking the EASILOK is just like any ordinary mechanical lock. The EASILOK can be installed on both the right and left side. EASILOK is built with 304 stainless steel casting and is stronger than other locks on the market that are made of zinc or AI alloy deadbolts. Whether the A-grade lock falls from a higher ground or is vandalized by force, the interior parts remain intact, keeping your home safe. Unlike others, the EASILOK is far from complicated to install. You can get yours installed in just a few steps. We asked a few people what they thought of the EASILOK compared to the conventional deadbolts found in homes, just to see how easy the EASILOK really is.
Okay, so I just go ahead and twist it. Oh, it's locked. That's great. That was so easy.
Yeah, that's very convenient.
That's awesome.
Doors are used every day. Just think about how many times you lock and unlock the door. You want that deadbolt to glide so that it functions properly without a glitch.
I love that it is so reliable because we don't want to be going back and replacing a lock. I know this one's going to last.
It's easy.
It's easy.
It's easy.
It's easy.
It's easy.
So, what are you waiting for? Make life a little easier with the EASILOK.